Here we have crypto.com, symbol CRO versus the dollar. And we have at best a sideways consolidation. And what we're going to be looking at right here is something like this for your short-term range, that being a high of about 62.25 and a low structure basically on your 4th of December lows at about 48 cents. So as long as you're between there, the hoping is that you do put in a bit of a higher low somewhere in the low 50s or upper 40s. Fair enough, it could definitely happen, but there's nothing really super exciting to get, nothing really exciting to get about this. Is that even the right terminology? I don't know. Until you get back above this last rejective high from your current daily range, which is 68.25. Above there, I do look for this one to return back up towards, mid 80s, upper 90s, and this starts to look like a major low, and that would look pretty damn good. But let's put it on the other higher term timeframes. 5-day certainly looks like a major top. We have extremes on 5-day BBWP, as we did also hit major extremes twice on daily BBWP, so I'm a lot more angled towards short-term downside test. Question is, does it hold or not? If it doesn't hold, then if you actually break and close below this region right here, even on a 4-hour, I'm looking for moves down towards 40 cents or so. Hold on, is that right? 45 to 40 cents or so. Until then, I guess you got a little bit of hoping right here. 4-hour, what do we see? 4 hours downside angled, very likely to come back down and test somewhere around your low 50s, upper 40s. That doesn't imply a breakdown just yet, however. And again, the hoping is that you get back above this region after a bit of a bounce there. Let's see what we have over here. CRO, just to see if this agrees or disagrees. And 4-hour, I'm guessing down. Yep, down as long as below 57, which is actually not too far out of the range right now. And we do see several lows being found within this region, in fact. Anyways, daily, we'll pop back up above 53. Okay, this one actually does show a few signs of life. 12 hours fresh crossing down below 57.80 or so, which you're at right now. So it's going to be a long day on this one, but basically just don't want to see it break below this region right here, about 48 cents. Below there, even on a 4-hour closure, big problems. In fact, even below just like basically 50 cents, even on a 4-hour closure, it's going to be big problems. But until then, I'd give it a chance. It actually is holding up relatively better than most of the market, but I would not call this one resolved as long as you're below about 68. Above 68, this one starts to look a lot better, and it would imply a long-term bullish resolution, but not an immediate bullish resolution. So still probably waiting here for a long time at best. And if I'm looking at the weekly, like this thing can pull back quite a fair bit and still be long-term bullish. I mean, this thing could pull back to like 35 cents and still be long-term good. Monthly, same thing over here as well. Like long-term, this is good. It's pretty damn good long-term. The question is, do we pull back into the mid 30s or not first, which would be probably born upon the break of that short-term time frame range. So hopefully that's helpful. And there you go for crypto.com, sir.